Hi, in this video I will show how to download the Java and install the Java in our Windows system and configure the Java, the setup, and then write one simple program in the notepad and then execute the program. You can go to Google and you can type there Java JDK. You can see the links. You can click that Java first link, the Oracle link. There you can see the Java SE. The latest version you can download it, Java SE 15 or SE 14, anything you can download it, which one you want. Just click JDK download. Here I am getting the latest one, SE 15, Java SE 15. Just click JDK download. Here you can see the exe file which is suitable for Windows. Mine is 64-bit Windows, so I'm downloading this one, JDK 15 64-bit bin.exe. It is started downloading. Yeah, just click the checkbox and then click download. It started downloading here. I will tell you how to check our system is 64-bit or 32-bit system. Here the system type is 64-bit, so accordingly you can check in your system it is 64-bit or 32-bit. According to that you can download the exe file, Java exe file. It is downloaded. I am executing this one. Just click it. Once it's click, it's ready to execute. Yes, it is started to install. Click next. Here you can give the path where you need to install the Java. It is default path. I am giving the same path, so I click the next. It will hardly take 2 minutes, 2 or 3 minutes to install the Java in our system. It's successfully installed. Yeah, it is showing successfully installed. So close it. Now we can see that Java installed in our program files are not. You go to C folder, their program files, Java, the JDK 15 is installed. So Java installation is successful. That we can verify in the command prompt. Just open the command prompt, cmd. There you can type Java. Yes, it is installed successfully. You can check the version also, Java-version. You can see the version of the Java. Once it's completed, we need to configure the path. For that we need to go to the environment variables. Go to my computer, right click properties. Here you can see the advanced system settings. Click that. Here environment variables. Click it. Here we need to set the Java home. It's already there. So I will delete and I will create a new. Here you need to create the user variable. In the environment variable, just click new, and then you can type java underscore home. Then give the path of the Java where we have installed the path, we need to give it there. Just copy it and then give the path there and then click OK. Then we need to set the path, class path. Here in the path, just edit it. Here in the end you need to put one semicolon, and then you need to give the Java home /bin. Otherwise we can give the direct path. If you want, you can give the direct path, the Java path. Go to that folder in the bin. Here yes, this one, copy. Here only java.exe is located, so you can copy this one and give this path here and then semicolon and then click OK. Like this we need to give. Yeah. This is the Java path. Instead of this you can give java underscore home also, but I am giving the direct path of the bin folder. Then click OK, then click OK, here also OK. Now the environment variable set successfully. We have set it successfully. We can verify that here. You can type the Java command, java -version and Java C. Java C command is executable or not, just to verify it. Yes, it is executed successfully. So now it is ready for to write the Java code and execute the Java code. That I will explain in one simple notepad. Just open one notepad. I already created one Java folder. Inside the Java folder, I already have one notepad here, like this, new, then click the text document. The text document name I gave the name as sample.java. I already have it, so I am deleting that one. I will explain in this sample.java. Okay, the class name is, I gave it a sample. The class name, which one you are giving, the same name you need to give the file name. Okay, here my class name is sample, public class, the class name is sample. That is the reason my file name also sample.java. Then inside that I wrote a public static void main. Inside the public static void main I written the print system.println. I am printing the hello world. Just save it and then come to the command prompt. Here you need to compile that sample.java. So you need to type a command java c space sample.java. It is compiling now. Yes, it is successfully compiled. You can see the class file. Yes, class file created. So it is successfully compiled without any error. Then you can execute the program. Java, then the class name Java sample. It is enough. Sample is enough. No need to type sample.java. You can see Java sample gave the output, that is hello world. Hello world only we are printing. So this is the method. We need to write a program and compile the program and execute the program. We will get the output. Thank you for watching.